Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I am not in my normal filming place. I'm actually in a bathroom. Not my bathroom, it's my cousin's bathroom. So, yeah, because this is the only place that is basically quiet, if you know what that means. Okay, that's just French, okay. So, today I have a squishies from Wish. So, yeah. So, it looks like this. I'm going to, forgot to mark off the address. But it's like, these are actually real jiggly squishies. And sorry about my hands. They're like really red because I just got done eating Hockeys. Okay. And so I only have 3. I only have to open. Okay. So I'm gonna just mix them up. First thing I pulled out, it's this little alligator. And I don't really understand why it has 2. Okay. Oh, it has a little tail. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys like that. Ooh, the red taste. Sorry. So, oh man, it's really dirty. These also get like really dirty. It's not that dirty, but and I thought there was gonna be way more than just 3, but you know, that was like really big. Okay. I'm gonna save the cutest one for the last. Okay. So the next thing I pulled out is a little dinosaur. I think. Oh no, this is a camel. What is this? But I kind of accidentally went like that to it just because I went with my finger. I don't think these can get like really bad defects. Just a little sticky. I really want to peel that off, but I'm not going to. But super cute. I thought it was a dinosaur, but no, it's not. It's actually cute. Okay, this one I'm holding in my hands. It's so cute. Whoops. Okay, so before I show you guys, make sure you comment down below what you think it is. So white, I'll tell you that. Ready? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it is. It's a really cute little polar bear. It's so cute. It'll focus. So cute, yes, it is. And it's so cute because it has a little feet. This one is like my favorite. Just love it. So it won't focus. Hold on, let me put it near the light. Okay, so here's me jiggling it. Sorry, just so cute. Forgot to show you guys. Oh, look at the little tail. This one has a little tail too. So like right there. These are all so cute, but I forgot to squish this one for you guys. But yeah, these are the little squishies. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you know how I was talking about how there's two? This one now, it's kind of gone. Yeah, so there's only one eye now. And look, it's on the polar bear. Okay, sorry, but yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe. Okay. Okay guys, so I think that I am going to start doing shout outs. So if you want a shout out, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and if you want to get a shout out, do hashtag KQueen. Oh, and if I don't know if you guys know, but my actual real name is Kaylee. I don't know if you guys know that or not, except I know one person does. And it's Love Sun Life, so make sure you go check out her channel. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So, okay, bye.